Miracles now with prayers, open gates. Angel of glory, blaze my path. The briefcase, let it flow. Rivers of blessing overflow. My miracles now in sight. Angelic prayers, open gates, where heaven pours out every weight. Angel of glory, blaze spaces open. Angel of breakthrough, release God's wrath. On every chain, on every lack, bring wealth and health rushing back. Take it now.
This is not just a song, it's a prophetic moment. Hear it, angelic prayers. Angels don't just visit, they deliver.
Knock at the door, I look outside. A glow so bright, I almost hide. But the angel says, don't be afraid. This is the answer for which you prayed. Briefcase shining, sealed with gold. Inside blessings untold. Grace, money, peace and light flood my home.